So much for pausing the video. I pressed the stop button, so this is video number 3, continuation. And I found 2 more quarters. Why is this in landscape? You want to do it in landscape? Okay, we'll do this in 22. We're now nickels. I'm adding 3 at a time. Alright, so our boat holds 30 pennies, 20 quarters, 3 nickels, 6 nickels, 9 nickels, and guess what I'm out of? Nickels. Alright. Okay, I'm back, and I actually found enough pennies for another drop, so 35 pennies. We're definitely starting to sag in the middle now, but the structural integrity is actually holding up pretty well. More quarters. So right now, 35 pennies, 9 nickels, and 22 quarters. Sorry this is kind of slapshod. It's been a hell of a week. Quarters, and I'm out of change. So I consider this boat unmitigated success. We've had 24 quarters, 35 pennies, and 9 nickels in there, and it's holding up pretty well. I mean, we've still got a good bit of clearance. I mean, that's at least an inch, maybe a little more. And that's just on that side. But you can see that the sides are starting to buckle. My guess is if I left it in here for a while, it would start to sink just under its own weight. So this is Heather Parkin signing off on my test for the aluminum foil hull. Bye.